Hello everybody, welcome to Wealth Window. Today we are going to talk about how you can become financially confident. Financial confidence comes after financial education in that you need to put in the time to learn about money before you can be sure of your ability to generate money. I believe that financial confidence is the most important thing everyone needs to develop before they can expect to start earning money. By the end of this video, you should be able to define what financial confidence means to you. In today's fast-paced world, gaining money awareness and financial confidence is more crucial than ever. Understanding personal finances empowers you to make informed decisions, avoid debt traps, and secure your future. By mastering basic financial concepts, you'll not only enhance your financial literacy, but also boost your confidence in managing your money. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you can handle unexpected expenses and plan for your dreams. Join us on this journey to financial empowerment and unlock your potential. Money awareness refers to the understanding of your financial situation, including income, expenses, and savings. This awareness significantly impacts your financial decisions, allowing you to make choices that align with your goals. When you are aware of your financial landscape, you can develop better budgeting and spending habits, ultimately leading to improved financial health. By recognizing where your money goes, you can identify areas for improvement and prioritize your spending. We encourage you to assess your current financial knowledge and identify gaps in your understanding. This self-reflection is the first step toward achieving greater financial confidence and making informed decisions for your future. To effectively evaluate your current financial status, start by tracking your income, expenses, and savings. This foundational step provides a clear picture of where your money is going. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets, which can simplify the process and help you stay organized. These tools allow you to categorize your spending and set financial goals. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video, where I share the app that I personally use to do my own budgeting. It is also crucial to understand your debts and liabilities, as they can significantly impact your financial health. By gaining insight into your overall financial situation, you can make informed decisions and create a plan that leads to greater financial stability and confidence. Setting achievable financial goals is essential for guiding your financial journey. It's important to distinguish between short-term and long-term goals, as both play a vital role in your overall strategy. Short-term goals, like saving for a vacation, can provide immediate motivation, while long-term goals, such as retirement savings, ensure future security. To enhance your goal-setting process, use the SMART criteria. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," specify, "I will save $1,000 for a vacation in the next 6 months." This clarity helps you stay focused and motivated. Creating a practical budget is a crucial step toward financial stability. One effective method is the 50-30-20 rule, which suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Start by categorizing your expenses to distinguish between essential needs and discretionary wants. This helps you prioritize your spending and make informed choices. Additionally, it's important to regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect changes in your financial situation or goals. By staying flexible and proactive, you can ensure your budget remains a useful tool for achieving your financial objectives. Having an emergency fund is essential for financial security and peace of mind. An emergency fund is a savings reserve set aside specifically for unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. A common target amount for this fund is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, providing a safety net during tough times. If this seems daunting, don't worry, start small. Even setting aside a little each month can add up over time. Gradually building your emergency fund will help you feel more secure and prepared for whatever life throws your way. Continuous learning about finances is vital for making informed decisions and achieving financial success. To enhance your financial literacy, consider exploring various resources such as books, podcasts, and online courses that cover topics from budgeting to investing. Staying updated with financial news and trends can also provide valuable insights into market changes and economic factors that affect your finances. Additionally, joining financial communities or forums allows you to connect with like-minded individuals, share experiences, and gain diverse perspectives. By actively engaging in your financial education, you empower yourself to navigate your financial journey with confidence and clarity. In summary, gaining money awareness and financial confidence is essential for navigating today's financial landscape. We discussed the importance of understanding your financial situation, setting achievable goals, creating a budget, building an emergency fund, and exploring investment options. By taking these actionable steps, you can significantly improve your financial health and security. We encourage you to engage with this content by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and family who may benefit from these insights. Together, let's continue the journey toward financial empowerment and make informed decisions for a brighter financial future. Now that we have taken the first step towards financial confidence, I want to share with you guys what you have all been waiting for: my favorite budgeting app for 2025. The app is called Rocket Money. Rocket Money is a free app that you can use for a lot of your different financial needs, but I specifically enjoy their budget feature. With Rocket Money, you are able to sync all of your accounts into one place. Having all of your accounts easily viewable in one place is extremely helpful and makes the user experience that much more enjoyable. You can set financial goals like paying off student loans or saving for a vacation and view your progress on the way to those milestones. Overall, Rocket Money is easy to use and a great way to budget while also having all of your financial data in one place. If you are interested in using Rocket Money, I will be sure to leave a link in the description. That will wrap up this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos related to personal finance and much more. Be sure to check out our upcoming video series about investing for beginners, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.